पंक्तियां मुझे याद आ रही है, मैं शेयर करना चाहूंगा आपके साथ। सानिध्य आपका जो ख्यालों में आ गए, हम मुद्दतों के बाद उजालों में आ गए, पाकर स्नेह आपका आभास यूं हुआ, हम राह के पत्थर थे शिवालों में आ गए। सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच। जैसा कि माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय ने कहा, माननीय श्री मोहम्मद हामिद अंसारी 10 वर्ष तक भारत के दूसरे सर्वोच्च पद पर आसीन रहे। माननीय श्री हामिद अंसारी ने देश विदेश में भारत का प्रतिनिधित्व किया। राज्यसभा के सभापति के रूप में आपने अपने कर्तव्यों का निर्वहन किया, अनेक महत्वपूर्ण और ऐतिहासिक कार्य किए और अपनी संस्कृति का पालन करते हुए नई परंपराओं की नींव रखी। इस अवधि के दौरान क्या क्या अनुभव रहे, ये राह कितनी आसान रही या कठिन रही, इसकी अभिव्यक्ति स्वयं माननीय सभापति श्री मोहम्मद हामिद अंसारी जी ही कर सकते हैं। अब मैं सीधे आज के कार्यक्रम के केंद्र बिंदु माननीय सभापति जी से अनुरोध करूंगा कि वे कृपया अपने मन की बात कहें। मधुमास में हर फूल खिल जाए ये जरूरी तो नहीं, हर मोड़ पे मंजिल मिल जाए ये जरूरी तो नहीं, लाख कोशिश करे कोई भी लेकिन आपसे इंसान मिल जाए ये जरूरी तो नहीं। May I now request Honorable Chairman Sir to address this august gathering.
Honorable Pradhan Mantri ji, Honorable Speaker, Lok Sabha, Honorable Vice President-elect, Rajya Sabha, Honorable Deputy Chairman, Honorable Leader of the House in Rajya Sabha, Honorable Leader of Opposition in Rajya Sabha, the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Deputy Speaker in the Lok Sabha, Dr. Manmohan Singh ji, and a house full of friends. अब जिगर थाम के बैठो, मेरी बारी आई. And the truth of the matter is that I have been rendered speechless. The morning session in Rajya Sabha was overwhelming in terms of the sentiments expressed by all sections of the House. And I would have thought that that was enough not only for a day, a week, a year, but for a lifetime. I had no idea, absolutely no idea, what Dr. Kurian and his colleagues were planning for this evening. And if I say that I am rendered speechless, I mean I am rendered speechless. I came to Rajya Sabha after having propagated for many decades as a diplomat and as a representative of India the virtues of Indian democracy and the uniqueness of India as a country and a society. One had occasional interaction with public figures in one's different capacities abroad. But coming to the Rajya Sabha with this kind of a background, I had a unique insight into how this system actually functions. Yes, one reads in the newspapers, on the television channels about the sharp exchanges that take place from time to time. But the greatness of the system, as I discovered over 10 long years, was that the exchanges were purposeful, that views were expressed without generating animosity. And this is what is unique about our political system. There are countries, I know many of them, where political opposition goes into personal opposition, where political dissent can result in physical harm. We are unique. There are not very many countries like that. That we treat it as a game of cricket, Arunji, or a game of hockey, where sides play by the rules. Occasional aberrations here and there don't really matter, but they play by the rules and they produce excellent results. And this is what I learned over a period of 10 long years, that in reality, a house of 245 members was of fellow citizens, not of warring factions. This is unique. I learnt all that, and in the process I made friends in all sections of the house. Nobody, at least not to my face, accused me of leaning on one side or the other. And it was not a very difficult job, because like a referee, you just observe the game. You have a rule book, you have a whistle, and if no fouls are committed, you don't have to blow the whistle. So I go back highly satisfied. I am particularly touched by the affections that have been expressed this evening, the long address that the members have presented to me, which will be a cherished memento, the generous expressions of the Prime Minister. Where do I end? I am not a movie goer, but some old songs do linger in memory. There was one whose words were perhaps relevant for me today. जुदा मेरा दिल, जुदा तेरी राहें, मिलेंगी न अब तेरी मेरी निगाहें. So I shall go back to being a normal citizen in a vibrant democracy and observe the game from yet another angle. I can only thank everyone who is present here for the affection and friendship they have extended to me. And one of the benefits of the job of the Vice President is that the legislators in their wisdom decreed many, many years ago that there shall be a house not very far from Sansad Bhavan. So all of you are welcome to visit our humble abode, and there would always be a cup of tea waiting for you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच. और आपके लिए हम इतना जरूर कहेंगे कि आप स्वस्थ रहें और व्यस्त रहें. आखिर